What's up, YouTube fam? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Diesel. I know it's been a long time. I should be back on the regular making videos. As you can see, we're in a new spot. Actually sitting in my garage right now. A few months ago, bought a house, bought me a 3-family. I made sure I had a garage because where I was living, I just couldn't do it. You know what I'm saying? I couldn't do the work that I wanted to do. So right now, your boy got a garage finally, and I'm able to do my videos. So check it out. A few things left from the previous owner, but you know. All right, so without taking up too much time on that, I got a few boxes here I'm about to open up. One of them already opened up. Pro tuning. It's just, let me see. Basically, it's just some eyebrows or eyelids, if you wanna, whatever you wanna call it. So this one is carbon fiber side blades. Not bad, I like them. And this, you know, eBay special. It's supposed to be the diffuser for the front bumper. It's 3-piece. You know, we're doing a budget build, so not going crazy yet. And the final piece. Not too bad. Here we have the diffuser put together. Yeah, I know I'm gonna be all mismatched. The front's gonna be gloss black. The sides are gonna be carbon fiber. But it is what it is. Later on, I'll just change the front diffuser and probably just make everything carbon fiber. Maybe, but we'll see. All right. So we just did a little mock-up of what it's gonna look like. Doesn't look too bad. What looks worse is that car is not done yet. Okay, yeah, all these damn bugs. I was looking at some wheels to get for it, but currently the wheels, they're on a 4 to 8 week hold right now. They said it's nationwide, so I don't know, we'll see. This summer should have some wheels on here. I already have the wheels picked out. I got the specs picked out, everything. So I got some stuff coming this year. I said it last year, but stuff happened last year, wasn't able to do it. But this year, we're gonna get this girl looking good, real good. I got everything mapped out of how it's gonna be, what it's gonna look like. So I know everything that I want done to it. Once the body work is done, I'm actually gonna wrap it. And that I'm gonna attempt to do myself. Never did it before, but what the hell, gotta learn. So. Alright, here's the final product. I don't know, the freaking sun is beaming right now. It's done for now. Definitely gotta get a new light. This thing's disgusting, but hey, it was put on with double-sided tape, easy to come off. Put the lights on and redo them. That's all it took. All right, guys, that's it for now. You know what I'm saying? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. You know, a lot of y'all be hitting me up, asking me questions, and I try to answer everyone's question. So any questions, just hit me up, and I'll see you in the next video. Later.